Learning essential English phrases is crucial for achieving fluency and sounding natural when communicating in English. Here are the second part of the remaining 75 English phrases that can help English learners improve their language skills and feel more confident in various situations. Agreeing and disagreeing. 31. Exactly. 32. I agree with you 100%. 33. I'm not sure I agree with that. 34. I see your point, but. 35. We'll have to agree to disagree. Asking for clarification. 36. What do you mean? 38. I'm not sure I understand. 39. Can you clarify what you mean by? 37. Could you explain that again? 40. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Expressing ability or possibility. 41. I can. 42. I could. 43. It's possible too. 44. There's a chance that. 45. It might be possible. Expressing necessity or obligation. 46. I have to. 47. I need to. 48. You must. 49. It's necessary to. 50. You should. Making suggestions. 51. Why don't we? 42. How about? 53. I suggest that we. 54. Maybe we could. 55. Let's. Expressing preferences. 56. I prefer. 57. I'd rather. 58. I like. 59. I prefer. 60. I enjoy. Offering help. 61. Do you need help? 62. Can I assist you with? 63. Would you like some help? 64. Let me know if you need anything. 65. I'm here to help. Expressing feelings. 66. I'm happy, sad. 67. I feel. 68. I'm excited about. 69. That makes me sad, happy. 70. I'm worried about. Casual conversation fillers. 71. Actually. 72. Basically. 73. Honestly. 74. You know what I mean? 75. At the end of the day. By incorporating these phrases into your daily English use, you can improve your fluency and sound more natural. Each of these phrases serves as a tool to navigate various social interactions and express yourself clearly and effectively.